Hold up.
Welcome back guys to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to find the reverse of any number. So let's get started. Okay, now int remainder reverse and num and also temp. Here console dot write line will be enter a number and num is equal to int dot parse console dot read line and temp is equal to num while num is not equal to 0, rem is equal to num mod 10 and your reverse will be reverse into 10 plus RAM, and before that we have to give reverse here as a 0, right? And now num will be equal to num divided by 10, and outside this for loop it will be console dot write line the reverse of temp is reverse, and that's it. Now console dot read line, that is it. Now if I'll run this, you'll see the output, which will be the reverse number of any number which we'll type. So if I'll insert 25, you can see this, the reverse of number 25 is 52. Okay, so that is it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be back with another video like this. Thank you.